Hi everybody, it is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. Today we are in another room of the Curated Dollhouse, again opening Mini Fashions. I am so excited. Mini Fashion Series 2. I am so excited. Again, I have been looking for these balls for weeks and weeks, and I finally found them. So we are going to open up three more balls today and we are going to see what we get. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So first off, I have already pre-cut these so I can open them easier because the tear strips and getting these open are, oh my god, y'all, it is like so super difficult to be able to get this done easy, and I wanted it to be easier on camera. So I've already again pre-cut them. Oops, that's what happens when you go on camera, but oh well, we're gonna make it work. So we have this one. The collector's guide I went through in the last video. I'm not going to cover it again for you guys. If you want to see the collector's guide, please go to that other video and you'll get to see all of the wonderful purses that I got with that as well. So, let's see. So for me, I actually don't care which one I open first, but I mean, I'm excited to get both, but I know this is accessories, so we're going to go with this one first and see what we get. Oh my, yes, we yay! Okay. So as you can see, I'm very happy because if you watch the other video, you know that this is one of the ones that I wanted because of the pearls on this purse. And I got it. Yay! You cannot believe how excited I am to have gotten this one. Give me a little bit more light over here. There we go. So this purse is super cute. It is a red. For my light, it's looking a little bit different, but it's so cute. Of course, we know that they open, but I love this one because it has the pearls on it, and pearls are my absolute favorite. I used to say that all of the classy women at my church when I was growing up always seemed to wear pearls. Is this a scarf? Oh, oh, that's a scarf. Yes, that's a scarf. I wanted a scarf also. So, huh. Sticker, yay. Scarf, gorgeous. Look at the sheen on that. Oh my god. Now, I don't know about you. When you're thinking about scarves, I know many of you think about, oh, this would be so cute for the doll, and I put it around her neck with a jacket. For me, I'm looking at this like, yes, this is a fabulous head wrap for my dolls, because some of us people with melanin, we got to wrap our heads up at night, and I was like, oh, this is going to be so cute to use for my dolls in that way. So, oh, super excited about that. With that, we also got a cell phone, the pink one, and it is on like an Instagram post with a purse. It's just adorable. This is the second phone that I've gotten, but it was different color, so I don't care about duplicates anyway. And then we got a cologne bottle, perfume bottle. These are supposed to be scented, so maybe it's just me. I didn't get as much of a scent on this one. I did open a couple of them off camera, and I got another one, and I really did get a scent, but this one not so much. But it is so cute. Now we're going to move on to the next one. Oh, the sticker. Yeah, y'all, I'm not big on these stickers. All of these stickers do sometimes is just convince me that, oh, there's so many more purses that I am not finding. And for the curated dollhouse, I don't really use these. I don't. I think they're cute, but I don't use them. And you could throw me in something else than a sticker, but it is adorable. It's an adorable sticker of a adorable purse. Number two. I pre-cut it, y'all. I promise I did. There we go. Whew. I ain't gonna lie, these mini fashions really made me have to bring back my old army strength. I'm not playing. These balls are not easy to open sometimes, but we work with it. So, alrighty, there's that one. And this one, okay, this is the bag. So we're gonna open the bag. Nope, we're gonna open the accessories first this time. Again, it doesn't matter to me, but since we're doing an unboxing, I figure we'll alternate. So let's tear. And we see first off the same sticker. Okay, put that over there. You see, I was going all easy to see if there was other stuff, because you know sometimes you get the same and you see it, but no. So we have the black perfume bottle like the red one we just got. We got a gold hairbrush, and then we got the boba tea. I don't have this around me. Maybe I do. I've never had it myself, but it's a cute drink that I can use with the dolls. So really, does that matter? And I am going to smell this one to see if maybe it smells and I just didn't get it on the other one. Honestly, not smelling anything on that one either. I'll have to check my guide. Well, you know what? Let's check it now and see. And I said I wasn't going to go through the guide, but because we're trying to see if we need to be sniffing everything that comes out of these, we're going to see. So yes, from what I'm seeing right here, get my light over here, this symbol, there we go, is showing that they should be scented. So we have these creams that should be scented, the perfumes, all of these. Now these I'm not getting a scent on. This one I got in another one that I opened and I did get a scent. So maybe some are just lighter than others. I don't know. Maybe my own, you know, perfume is coming into it and I'm not picking it up, but I did smell something on this one. I haven't smelled anything on these other three that I got. All right, that's enough of that. On to the purse. Let's see. Oh my God, what are we getting? That was an awful tear. That took just that corner off. It did on purpose because I'm on camera to kind of, is that fringe? Is that fringe? That is fringe. Oh, oh, wow, this is cute. I don't think this was actually one on the list that I just had to have, but now that I'm seeing it, baby, this fringe here, oh, is this like reminding me of all of my growing up in the Texas? Yes. Okay, let me get my Southern on out of here. But that purse is really cute. Really, really cute. Very good quality. The fringe are kind of sticking out a little bit, but come on, y'all. These are minis, toys, whatever you want to call it. It's not going to be greatly perfect. And for doll play, if this is what you're using it for, or just for little accessories, maybe to hang on a keychain, on your real bag. I do not know the names of these bags. I am a huge purse person. I don't care about the name of the purse as long as it is big enough to hold my laptop, my cell phone, a couple of books, a couple of spirals, all my stuff. And I can name it Big Bertha. All of my purses are called Bertha. And I actually have a place in my closet that I like to call Bertha's Corner where all of them live. So this would be a cute Bertha, honestly, but it would probably be very high dollar and I'm super cheap. So we get it in miniature and we make it work like that. So, okay. We're down to the last one for this one. I hope y'all have enjoyed it. We're going to get this open and we are going to, let me tilt this camera so you can actually see. Boom, there you go. Just ignore the corners of the floor there, y'all. And while I'm doing it, I'm gonna reposition my items so that they look better in the picture. Seriously, love this scarf. That is going to be so cute as a head scarf for my doll. Yes, it is. And then we also got the phone, I think, with that one. And then the tea and the brush with this one. Okay, there we go. Last one. Let me see if I can find my pre-cut. And the ball went rolling again. But we got it. Okay, so open. Collector's guide, the bags. Okay, what did we open last time? First. I think last time we opened the accessories first. So this time, open the bag. Oh. Oh. Well, I mean, it's adorable. I love it. I really do. I did want it. So now that I have two of them, that's fine. And The curated dollhouse doubles, we don't mind. We have a lot of dolls, and as you know, in the curated dollhouse, what we do is we use a blank slate, which this is my dollhouse, and then we use all of our little trinkets and stuff to build it up. And we usually build apartments or a space for a doll. So if we have duplicates, that's great, because I can use them for different dolls in the scenes that I do. But also, if the purses are easy to do, this one may be easy to do, I use nail polish and I paint them different colors. But for this one, I will probably keep it. But that is also worrying me a bit because, of course, if we got the purse and that was duplicates. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so it's slightly a little bit of a difference. So there's another sticker. We did get the same scarf. Is that the same scarf? Yes, we did get the same scarf. However, we got the magazine with this one. I do think this magazine is cute. I also like the fact that they used real individuals and not dolls, because mini fashions is one of those things that you can kind of use it as you want to. So I like that. And then we got an eyeshadow blush, probably blush. I'm gonna call it blush. We're gonna keep on going with it, but we got a little blush to go with it. So that's not bad, really not. So yes, we did get a duplicate of the purse and the scarf, but we got two different accessories. So that's nice. And again, like I said, curated dollhouse, we don't mind duplicates, because we're either going to paint this with some nail polish to make it a different color, or we're going to use it with dolls that we call twins, and they will have the same purse because they're twins. So thank y'all so much for coming back to the curated dollhouse and visiting me, Jessica, the curated doll, the dollhouse curator. See, I can't even say it on my own video. We are loving these mini fashions, and I promise we will be back with review for more. But in the meantime, we're going to take this fabulous little purse and we're going to let Tori, that's my little Tori doll, she's my baker, we're going to let Tori enjoy that beautiful red purse that I was so excited to get. And we will see y'all later. Bye.